Over the past decade, 1,000 voices have been telling you that your business needs to be active on social media. But most businesses get frustratingly little engagement despite posting on a regular basis and asking everyone to like and follow their page. The problem is organic posts on social media rarely have the engagement level necessary to get promoted by the platform's algorithm. You need a way to reach and engage more people in your community. Facebook can be a great place to get local engagement because 74% of US adults are active users and spend an average of 38 minutes per day on the app. At Lyft Local, we'll consistently get your posts in front of 3,000 to 4,000 members of your community every month. We create and regularly post engaging content that is relevant to your industry and periodically select posts to run as ads targeted to your geographical area. This allows you to reach people who don't follow you and start conversations with them when they like or comment on your posts. Over time, these people get to know your brand and will be more receptive to your messages. You become a recognized business in your community. Building brand awareness can make all the difference when you're trying to move prospects through the sales funnel. When people recognize your brand, they're more likely to start a conversation with you and are more likely to purchase during that same conversation. Being active and professional on social media is essential to a strong online presence. You run a top-tier business and Lyft Local can help you look like it.